How to find a phone number on Facebook on Android. This tutorial shows you how to locate your own phone number linked to your Facebook account. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the profile at the top right of the screen and the menu at the top left. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. At this point, tap on Settings. In the next step, tap on Account Center and Profiles and Personal Details. From there, let me show you. Tap on Contact Info to see all the contact details linked to your account. At this stage, your phone number will be listed here under the Mobile Numbers section. Your full phone number linked to your Facebook account will now be visible on the screen. At this stage, if you want to add or update your phone number, tap on Add Mobile Number and enter your number and tap on the Next. Here's an important note. Make sure your phone number is always up to date on Facebook, as it's used for account recovery and two-factor authentication. An outdated number could lock you out of your account if you ever lose access. And that's it. If this guide helped you find your phone number on Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.